Hello and welcome to this video on 7 atomic habits for self-improvement. In this fast-paced world, we all want to improve ourselves in some way or the other, but often find it hard to stick to our goals. That's where atomic habits come into play. Atomic habits are small, consistent actions that add up over time and help us achieve our goals. In this video, we'll discuss 7 atomic habits that you can adopt to improve yourself. Start small. The first habit is to start small. When we set big goals, it's easy to get overwhelmed and give up before we even start. Instead, break your goals down into small, manageable tasks that you can achieve on a daily basis. For example, if your goal is to exercise every day, start with just 10 minutes a day and gradually increase the time. Remember, it's the small consistent actions that add up over time. Make it a habit. The second habit is to make it a habit. Habits are actions that we do without even thinking about them. To make a new behavior a habit, repeat it consistently for at least 21 days. Once it becomes a habit, it will become much easier to stick to. Whether it's reading a book every day, drinking water instead of soda, or going for a walk in the morning, consistency is key. Set goals. The third habit is to set goals. Goals give us direction and motivation. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Write them down and review them regularly. For example, if your goal is to save money, set a specific amount you want to save each month and track your progress. Track your progress. The fourth habit is to track your progress. Keep a journal or use a habit tracking app to monitor your progress. This will help you see how far you've come and motivate you to keep going. Whether it's a fitness tracker or a budgeting app, tracking your progress will help you stay accountable and motivated. Surround yourself with supportive people. The fifth habit is to surround yourself with supportive people. We are influenced by the people around us, so make sure you surround yourself with people who encourage and support your goals. Whether it's a workout buddy, a mentor, or a friend who shares your interests, having a support system can make all the difference. Use positive self-talk. The sixth habit is to use positive self-talk. Our thoughts influence our behavior, so it's important to think positively. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations such as "I can do this" or "I am capable." Whether it's writing down positive affirmations or repeating them to yourself throughout the day, positive self-talk can help you stay motivated and confident. Celebrate your wins. The seventh habit is to celebrate your wins. Celebrate every small victory, no matter how small it is. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep going. Whether it's treating yourself to a small indulgence or sharing your accomplishments with someone you care about, celebrating your wins can help you stay positive and motivated. Conclusion. In conclusion, these 7 atomic habits can help you achieve your goals and improve yourself. Remember, it's the small consistent actions that add up over time. Start small, make it a habit, set goals, track your progress, surround yourself with supportive people, use positive self-talk, and celebrate your wins. With these habits, you can become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching.